Okay, today I thought, I don't have this thought out very well. I was thinking that every time I'm walking through here shooting videos, there's certain robots I keep thinking that I should go ahead and pull out and play with. I'm thinking this real shiny chrome wind-up thing, I'd like to play with that. So we need to drag him out. And this 1960s, I believe, wind-up gear robot. I would just like to play with that. And I'm thinking this guy here. No particular reason. Where should I set him up? Maybe I'll bring him back and set him up on there. So, like I say, I could have had him already pre-pulled out and ready to go, but just kind of winging it here. Holy schmoly! No idea whether it's in the viewfinder or not. Let's make some room. I actually don't know if I've ever wound this thing up or not. Alright, I'm going to walk it over to that other area. I'll be right back. Miss me? No, probably not. Okay, let's grab this guy. Stay. And let's get into this cabinet. Well, it is a little darker back in this corner of the hut, but maybe I should be closer. How's that? Everybody see? No complaints? Well, let's take a look. ST, so we know it's Japan. You can hear the inserts in there. Huh? Super Revolution Robot. Alright. So we're able to decode the Japanese writing, I'm guessing, on the front. Here it must be talking about stuff. Let's find out if it is, in fact, a Super Revolution robot. Looks like the wind-up's on this arm. Does it just spin the whole arm around to wind it up? Oh, I'm guessing it does. It makes it kind of difficult. Oh, it's a sparking one. Well, it does in fact walk. It does in fact have some sparking going on, so the flint's still good in there. It does say Japan on the bottom. Turn it upside down, see if it's Super Revolution a little bit quicker when it's not having to run the flint. Doesn't make a whole lot of difference. I'm thinking it might Super Revolution quicker with a little bit of oil, or I could wind it up more, I guess. Actually, I don't think I've ever wound it up, played with it before. I actually like that. I didn't really know that it was a sparking one. I just thought it was gaudy and chrome looking. Okay, so this guy would have originally been a sparking robot. Let's see if we can turn this light on, because maybe that'll help illuminate. Can we get it where you can see the flint wheel back in there? It looks to me like the flint is worn out. But originally, the toy would have sparked. Got an on-off lever on the back. It's got a wind up in the shoulder. And nope. Holy smokes, it is still sparking. I did not think that was going to happen. He's not going to win any races, but he is walking. So you got sparks, you got turning gears, you got walking. That's pretty cool. Of course, it's made in Japan. And everything on it is tin except for this front cover and the gears. That's very nice. Let's try the on-off switch. On-off switch works too. Very cool. Okay, here's another ST Japan. I'm not going to get any clues to what it's really called. Let's look on the back. The back says Jet. The mechanics inside are metal, but the rest of the toy is plastic. You got the gel windows, so you know at one point it was a sparking robot. Let's see if it still is or not. I didn't notice an on-off switch anywhere. Holy smokes, it's sparking too still. Had a few sparks anyway. It's a good walker. Still throws out a few sparks every now and then. As the key comes around, then that moves the arm. Not a lot, but it does move it. Three for three. I can't believe that. That's cool. The old robots keep working. 3 sparkers, 3 wind-ups, all made in Japan, all vintage. Very cool.